Hello students, welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? Where we are coming to very close to NEET examination. So tell me what about your confidence levels? So we are here to boost your confidence levels by using most expected prominent questions from this NEET examination. And let us start today. आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं some questions mix matching of haloalkanes and haloarenes and hydrocarbons. In that various models of questions we are going to get it. So please tell me how are you all doing? So you got all your data completed, right? Okay. So if you have any doubts, you please mention in the comment box so that we can have a live interactive session. Bacho, come on. In this organic chemistry, we are going to discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes along with some mix match questions from hydrocarbons. So let's start without any delay. We are not promoting anything here. We are just giving you the best selected questions from the NEET examination, and you just do it. Take a pen and paper and solve it, and please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn YouTube channel. Come on, if which of the following compound in hyperconjugation takes place? So rapid fire round. आज का जो session है ना सिर्फ rapid fire round है. So what is hyperconjugation? Hyperconjugation is seen in the case of alkenes, carbocations and carbon free radicals. So condition for alpha hydrogen is at least one alpha hydrogen should be there. So your volume is bit low. Is my voice is okay? Is my voice is okay? Please confirm. Reads. So you can see this is CH3. It is a Baker-Nathan effect, beta. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is going to give its corresponding structures like this. And this is how you are going to get the hyperconjugation structures. In this hyperconjugation structures, it follows like this, and it is toluene. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Answer is the 2. Simple, like these questions you are going to get in the examination. If you have any doubts, so reads, all the students, can you all hear me clearly? Okay, let's find one more question. Major product in the following reaction, PCC. PCC is a pyridium chlorochromate. It's a mild oxidizing agent. It is a mild oxidizing agent, and it is going to oxidize primary alcohol to aldehyde, and it cannot impact carbon to carbon double bond, so that I can get alcohol is converted into aldehyde, carbon to carbon double bond is remain intact. Therefore, I would say option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt? So the same methodology of questions you are going to get in the NEET examination. Here from the YouTube channel, we are presenting such questions so that can give you a quick rapid fire round of revision, so that can boost your confidence, my dear children. So follow this and you can do the best. Okay, any doubt, bacho? If you have any doubts, please let us know. One more question here. One more question here. Which of the following compound undergo ARSN, aromatic substitution reaction, most easily? I want to say haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Haloarenes do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because due to resonance. So, but if electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para positions, they can undergo electrophilic reactions. Sorry, nucleophilic reaction. Only at electron withdrawing group at ortho and para positions makes it. Here it is at a meta position. Here it is going to be ortho position, फिर भी meta position here, and here सिर्फ meta position में. If it is at ortho and para position, Most easily the answer for this question is going to be 2, right? Any doubts? Rapid fire round. These questions are selected in such a way that they are in almost at the level of NEET. So follow this, and only this type of questions we will expect it in 2026. So which of the following compounds undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? So nitrobenzene do not undergo because of the strong electron withdrawing group. Aniline do not undergo because aniline is a Lewis base. It is going to form a salt with Lewis acid AlCl3. And toluene can undergo, and anisole can undergo. I can say A and B do not undergo. Which of the following compound undergo? Okay, so I can say C and D can undergo. Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Fine. Any doubt, bacho, here at option 3? Let us see one more question like this, but you don't know where the question is going to be landed, right? So I'm going to show you the similar type of questions, but same logic can't be applied in every question. So I want to make it such variation among all the questions, right? Bacho, come on, next one more question here. How many of the following compounds following non-aromatic? If we want to say compound to be aromatic, you have to check these 2-3 points. So let me explain you the concept in this way. So it should be cyclic, and it should be planar, and it should have complete delocalization, and it should have 4n plus 2 number of pi electron systems. That is what you can say is a Huckel rule. Now let us talk about, if a compound is checked with this point and this point, you can say this compound is aromatic. This compound is aromatic. If that compound, any one of these first 2 points are missed, okay, any one of these first 2 points are missed, you need not have to check the third point. You can say it is a non-aromatic. And if you take an anti-aromatic compound, it's super unstable. You are going to obey first 2 points. It will not obey Huckel rule. So I want to say this is anti-aromatic. Now, among this, cyclooctatetraene is non-aromatic. You can say it is a planar. No, it is having a non-planar structure. It is popularly known as bathtub. It is popularly known as bathtub like this. So it is a non-aromatic. And it is anti-aromatic. It is sp3 carbon non-planar. It is going to be non-aromatic. It is going to be non-aromatic. And it is well-known compound aromatic. I can say there are 2 non-aromatic compounds. The answer for this question is 2. So, bacho, it is a live interactive session. Please discuss with me, share your opinion, share your doubts. We are going to do the best in the YouTube channel and live interactive session. So I can motivate you, I can clarify your doubts, whatever. Okay, those who are online, please like the session and share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity and NEET YouTube channel. So let us move ahead. So I'm clear with this question. So let's do one more here. Yes, the pathway followed in this reaction is, but the pathway followed in this reaction is, what is the pathway? Now, it is forming a carbocation like this. Okay, so once it is protonated, whenever carbocation is there, you can say it is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. So it is going to be the first order substitution nucleophilic SN1 option is going to be the first. So you want me to write the entire mechanism? In the NEET examination, you will not be asked to describe the mechanism. When you try to find the mechanism, you have to draw all this and that structures. But one thing I can say clearly, whenever the possibility of formation of a carbocation, it will be SN1, right? Next, one more question. So which of the following compounds is most reactive towards SN2? As we know, SN2 reactions, primary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary alkyl halide is more reactive than tertiary alkyl halide. Or otherwise I can say in most precisely SN2 inversely proportional to steric. So you can say methyl chloride is the most reactive among all alkyl halides in SN2 reaction. Okay, bacha? And you can also say option 2 here. Option 2 is correct answer. Moving ahead, which of the following compounds on ozonolysis gives acetaldehyde and a glyoxal? Acetaldehyde and glyoxal. Let us take CH3, CH double bond, CH double bond, CH and CH3. If you subject it for ozonolysis, you are going to get it like this. So this part is going to be converted into glyoxal, CHO, and it is CHO. And this is going to be CH3, CHO. This is going to be CH3 and a CHO. So I could say CH3CHO, CH3CHO. 2 moles of acetaldehyde, 1 mole of glyoxal is there. So you are going to see the numbering over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane, 2, 4 diene. So I want to say hexane, 2, 4 diene. So option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt? Hi Arpit Pandey, how are you? Hi Arpit Pandey, how are you? Now let us do one more question. Among the most stable carbocation, I would be very happy if you give the answers in the chat box. Fadafat. The stability of carbocation, I wanted to say this is the most stable. This is the most stable one due to dancing resonance. Due to dancing resonance. So if you want me to ask the stability, cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, so 3 is more stable than benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation is more stable than cyclopropyl. So cyclopropyl carbocation, so it is secondary carbocation, it is going to be the 4. So 3, 1, 2, 4 is the actual order. You can get options like this or like this, and whatever you are supposed to have a clear picture about what you are doing and how you are doing. Fine, my dear children, we can do the best, and option 3 is the correct answer. The reason is due to dancing resonance. And one more question, bacho, here one more. The major product in the following reaction. So what is the set of reagents? So it is hydroboration and oxidation. Hydroboration and oxidation reaction. And this hydroboration oxidation, इसका speciality होता है क्या बेटा? Anti-Markovnikov addition. It is anti-Markovnikov addition. okay, and it will be antimarconic of addition. Alkene is going to be converted into alcohol, so it is going to be 2-methyl butane 2-ol is going to be the product. Yes, fine, Arpit Pandey, you have given option 3 as the correct answer. That's good, fantastic, wonderful. Let us see here. It is directly based on NCERT. CH2Cl2. So the molecule is given. Number of chlorine atoms. So freon 12, CH2Cl2. उसमें 2 chlorine atoms है. 2 chlorine atoms है. Pyrene. What is the pyrene? Pyrene under commercial name of these carbon tetrachloride. Pyrene means carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. उसमें 4 chlorine atoms, DTT. I am going to show you the structure. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, and the chloroform CHCl3. You are going to get a 3, and it will be having 5 chlorine atom. You can see the structure of DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. You have 1, 2, and 3 here. So total 5 are there. You understand? Clear? So the answer for this question is going to be 1. Answer for this question is going to be 1. Understood? Clear? And this is the corner type questions. Usually students are going to ignore that. Ignore it. If you ignore it, you have to pay a lot of things in the examination. You don't ignore it. Fine? And Pradeep Singh, hello. Who is going to give this test? Who is going to give this answer? Bacho, waiting for your answer, Bacho. Waiting for your answer. So, what is a Lucas reagent? Iska काम क्या होगा? When alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent, anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl, you are going to get alkyl chloride. And this is what is called as a Lucas reagent. Reactivity, you are going to get alcohol reactivity, alcohols. So tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol is more reactive than primary alcohol. Ashish Burman. Arpit Pandey wanted 2. Wonderful. You can see it is going to give the turbidity immediately. What is metal turbidity? You are going to form along with this water. So alkyl halides, though they are polar, it is not soluble in water due to it cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. And secondary alcohols 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. If it is a primary alcohol, after 10 minutes. Okay. So 5 to 10 minutes का मतलब ये secondary alcohol होना चाहिए. ये secondary alcohol, ये tertiary alcohol. It's a primary alcohol. It is also a primary alcohol. Option 2 is the correct answer. Arpit Pandey, your answer is just 2. Okay, come on. Next question is going to be, that's the Josh you have to maintain. Be clear on what you are doing. No way you are going to get such a big strategic oriented questions and out of syllabus questions in the NEET examination. Simply you will be having a questions based on your the same NCERT, again NCERT. But be clear on what you are doing. And look at this. Finkelstein is the reaction used for the preparation of. You have halogen exchange reactions. In the halogen exchange reaction, alkyl halide. So if it is treated with NaI in the presence of acetone, you are going to get one halogen is already there with exchanged. This is what is called Finkelstein. You can see AgF, you are going to get RF, that you can say Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. Now you can see in this Finkelstein reaction is used for the preparation of alkyl iodide. Both are halogen exchange reactions. Bacho, hello guys, Vishal. So participate in the discussions. You check the chat box. Students are reading the question here and giving the answer. I hope you also can do the same. Pradeep Singh, Pardeep Singh, sorry. So let's see, it's a rapid fire round. I wanted to give flow of questions. Hello guys, come on. Major product on the following reaction. So थोड़ा सा mechanism बनाना पड़ता है rearrangement का हिसाब से. So you are going to get CH3, CH and CH3, and you're going to get a CH and a CH3 plus. Okay. Now this is a secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation can rearrange. How it is going to rearrange, beta? Okay. So please like the session. Ashish Burman, come on, Vishal. You're going to see one hydrogen is moving here, ताकि इसका carbocation होगा CH3 and C plus and CH3 and CH2 and CH3, and it is on Cl minus is attacked, Cl minus. So you're going to get, so the answer for this question होगा आपका CH3, CCl, CH3 and CH2, CH3. 2-chloro-2-methyl butane is the answer. So where is my structure? This is my structure. Come on, option 3 is going to be the correct answer. And so who is that? MS long live, hi, hello. Shahil? Hey, Ashish Burman, it is not easy question here. It is not easy question. It is an electrophilic addition reaction, and 50% of these NEET aspirants, 50% of the NEET aspirants don't know how to rearrange the carbocation, and you know how to rearrange the carbocation so that you feel it is easy, right? Yeah, answer is this. So let us move ahead. Bacho, come on. And one more here, the correct statements regarding CH3 dot. CH3 dot, it is going to be carbon free radical. So it will be a odd electron system, sp2 hybridized. Due to odd electron, it is a paramagnetic. It is a paramagnetic. It is a planar molecule. It is a paramagnetic. Sahi baat hai beta. And sp2 hybridized, it is formed by, always free radicals are formed by homolytic fission. When the bond is exactly broken to half, it is called as homolytic fission. He is the topper is who's sad? Why don't you as a topper? Ashish and Vishal. Topper and loser, this is a perception. If you think that other one is a topper, it means that you are downfalling by yourself. Yes? So you compete with the others and you can be a topper. You like my philosophy? Let it be NEET examination and any part of your life. जिंदगी में कभी भी ये philosophy इस्तेमाल करो बेटा. Right? Ashish, Vishal, Burman, Arpit Pandey, you like this philosophy? Never say that others are toppers. Why can't you be a topper? Yes, you have that caliber that you don't know. You believe in yourself fast. Come on, the answer is going to be option 4, A, B, C only. Correct answer. Why? So next, one more question. Next, one more question. This is one more, the correct order of reactivity of alkanes. So, reactivity. Inversely proportional to the stability. Reactivity inversely proportional to the stability. Let me talk about the stability. Isobutylene is more stable than trans-butadiene is more stable than cis-butadiene. And the reactivity reverse होगा, आपका आंसर आता है cis-butadiene is more reactive than trans-butadiene and least is going to be isobutylene. Okay, you are a backbencher, so talent lies at the backbencher. Abdul Kalam बोला है ना, Abdul Kalam sir यही बोला है. Okay, don't say I'm a backbencher. Never say I'm a backbencher. Rather you say I'm a smart person. Okay. Now, option next. Propane nitrile can be obtained by reacting. Come on, who is going to give the answer for this? Ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2Cl. When it is treated with KCN, you are going to get CH3, CH2Cn. This is called propane nitrile. Answer is going to be 4 is the correct answer for this question. So let it be Shivakishore, let it be even one student also there. It is a live interactive session. I am not talking about the number of students who are coming to the class. I am talking about the value of the lecture and the value of these questions. Okay, let us focus on the questions. Bacho, Prajwal, that's good. Ashish Barban, you've given the correct answer. Bacho, Shivakishore, I would be very happy if you could give the answer rather observing the scenario here and here identify the effect observed in the given process. Identify the effect observed in the given process. Bacho, make it fast. Shivkumar, come on. So, whenever this cyanide is coming and attacking, pi electron system is going away. That is what is called as negative electromeric effect. Usually, we have plus resonance effect, minus resonance effect, plus inductive effect, minus inductive effect. But usually we ignore electromeric effect. Okay, electromeric effect is an effect, is a temporary effect. The shifting of the pi electron system make it polarized in the presence of attacking reagent. If positive electromeric effect, so the pi electron shift towards the atom where reagent is attacking. Negative mesomeric effect is the atom to which the reagent is attacked, away from that atom pi electron is shifting away. Okay, that's good. PCOXW, electromeric. So the answer for this question is going to be negative electromeric effect. That's good, fantastic. Arpit, okay. Now one more question. Which of the following compounds on reaction with the RMGX followed by hydrolysis gives the primary alcohol? Who will give the answer for this question? Formaldehyde, when it is reacted with RMGX in the presence of H plus, H2O, H3O plus, you are going to get a primary alcohol. Any aldehyde other than formaldehyde, when it is treated with RMGX and H3O plus, you are going to get a secondary alcohol. These are the fingertips. Okay, Vishal. Now, you are going to see RC double bond OR and ketone when it is treated with RMGX and H3O plus, you will be getting a tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Are you getting or not? This is the hierarchy you need to maintain, bacho. Clear? Yes. Answer is going to be option 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, beta? That's good. So, statement 1 question, statement 2 questions, this kind of questions are more super important in NEET examination. So, assertion reasoning questions, statement 1, statement 2 questions are very important. Sir, I am having a tension about less days. Valid question. Vishal, at this last few days, majority of these students will get attention. Not majority, every student will get tension. Can I tell you one thing? You did hard work. True. You want to get medical seat? True. You studied? True. You practiced? True. You are going to write examination? True. But those who are entering into the medical college, those who are failing in the medical college, not entering to fail to enter in the medical college, what makes the difference? The game of 3 hours during examination, okay, you have to handle that game. So, in the handling the game, you studied that can handle. So, that will do its duty. But there are some obstacles like creating tension before the examination can be potentially damaged. So, leave about this. Chill and just read. Don't think about exam. If you think about exam, now, I am a faculty of 25 years experience. I'll tell you that is the major disaster you never invite in your mind. Okay, so let us follow our sessions. You need not have to study, we will only make it, and just you revise automatically. Agree or not? Come on. So ethylidene chloride is a gem dihalide. Ethylidene chloride, CH3 CHCl. This is called ethylidene dichloride, NCERT. Sam. And dipole moment of fluoromethane is more than wrong. CH3Cl is greater than CH3F, back bonding के वजह से wrong. So it is given from the NCERT. Answer is going to be 2. How many of you given 2? That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Okay. So like that, every day we'll come and discuss questions like this. Some more questions are there. So we have back-to-back sessions I wanted to make you to do. So आज का session इतना ही है. So we'll meet with more stuff in the next upcoming sessions. Please like this session, share with your friends, subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Line YouTube channel. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Again, I'll meet you on Monday. We'll do the best. Okay, bye-bye. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Thank you.